Alright guys, what is up? Today I'm giving you guys an update on my wiring job for wire tucking basically my whole engine bay. Let me show you guys first some glamour shots of how it looks when it's finished, and then we'll get to how I actually did it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have wire tucked it, but basically what I have done is for each wire right here, there's 3 on each plug. Ooh, there we go, focused. 3 on each plug, and there's 4 plugs. So basically each wire was a lot shorter. It was only about that long, and I had to cut it right here. I had to strip it, solder it together with a new wire that was a lot longer so I could extend it. After I soldered it with some like flux soldering wire, I guess it's called, then I heat shrink wrapped it because you want to do that so that the solder will not get I guess it will not touch another wire and short out, and it also won't get any water or anything like that in it. So after I shrink wrapped it, then I wrapped it with some electrical tape, and the electrical tape kind of just bonded all of the wires together. Basically it looks a lot better, but I have tucked it from the plug underneath, as you can see, and I'm basically probably going to get a cover that goes over this, or I'm going to tuck them even farther underneath. I'm not too sure yet, but once they are tucked under this, then they go down along here, and my whole wiring harness is just underneath my intercooler piping, and they just run right down here to make them look as good as possible. They go right under the intake manifold there. But yeah, that's basically the whole wire tucking job. Alright you guys, that is my wire tucking. It's still not complete, still needs a little bit of work, but that's it for the most part. It wasn't too bad, but it was really time consuming. Next, I will be installing a turbo manifold. It's a V-band and it is a lot better. I will definitely show you guys that. I am just waiting on the turbo housing because I need a new V-band turbo housing. So as you can see on this turbo, this is the exhaust housing, this whole cast piece right here, this big piece, and this is a V-band. But as you can see where it bolts to the manifold, it's a 4-bolt pattern, or a T4 I believe it is. And so I am moving from a V-band right here to a V-band right here. So both of them will be V-band, and this will be a lot easier to work on, as well as it'll flow a lot better and sound a lot better. So stay tuned for more project, guys. Stay tuned for better quality and more content, and I will catch you guys next time.